Okay guys, welcome back to my channel. I have today a 2014 Nissan Rogue Select, and basically what I'm doing is I am troubleshooting the blower motor to see why it's not coming on. Now, rather than show every single step what I did, what I'm going to do today is I'm just going to kind of show you what I did, because half the time when I look at who's looking at the video and stuff like that, they skip a lot, and that's cool. I've done the same thing, don't worry about it. But this is the blower motor right here. And it's only held on by one screw, but it is, let me show you, way up in there. So basically it's a little bit of a fight, but it's way up in there. Let me see if I can take the camera in there and show you. I don't know if you can see it. So basically it's a held on by one screw. And here is your cabin filter. It's behind this thing right here. And on this other side right here is your blower motor resistor is. So basically what I do is when I check it for power and ground, if it doesn't have ground, it's usually this thing right here. So as you can see, I took off the pedal and brake pedal assembly, and I did that by just disconnecting these. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 nuts you have to take off. A pin for this bad boy. And that is looking like this thing right here. So it's all one assembly. And like I said, you unplug it here, unplug it here, unplug it here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And before you take that out, you gotta take this bad boy out, which it kind of sits up in there like that, and it's held on by 2 studs, so it's 2 more nuts you gotta pull out. Kind of goes up in there, so that kind of goes up in there like that. You gotta take the 2 nuts out, 1, 2, and this comes out, and then you can pull the pedal out. You can't pull the pedal out without doing this, so you gotta take this off, then you can pull the pedal out. It's kind of a pain in the butt. And of course you have, I took this out, it just kind of popped out. You'll see that bad boy, it kind of goes up in there, like that. And then we have, of course, this plate, and those, this plate goes across like the front right there. And then of course those 2 things, those panels right here. This panel here, which is only 1 screw, it's a Torx screw. But overall, it's kind of a pain in the butt, but it's really not that horrible. It's just you got to kind of be a little contortionist and get up in there. And while I'm in there, I did the cabin filter. Look at that bad boy. Yeah, it looks really, really bad. So change that out while I'm in there. The blower motor, it's working now, and that's kind of what's going on with that one. So right now it's working pretty good. Thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button. See you on the next one. Later.